Using black magic on zinc or galvanized. In this video, we're going to use black magic over a piece of zinc. First, we need to start with the Sculpt Nouveau metal cleaner and a Scotch-Brite pad, get it scuffed up a little bit, and degreased. Zinc and galvanized, as far as a patina is concerned, reacts very similarly. So, we kind of use the words interchangeably from time to time. This is a piece of zinc, and black magic will react a little bit different depending on just conditions. You can get from a weathered black look up to a weathered kind of black and brown look, as well as you can possibly just get black, depending on the cleaning and how many coats you apply. After we're done rinsing the metal cleaner off, again, because we need to neutralize the acid, we're going to actually warm up the metal a little bit just to draw out that moisture. And what's that going to do is that it's going to keep the metal a little bit warmer, so when we go to put on the black magic, that's how we're going to get a little bit more of that blackish brown feel. You'll see as we spray this on, it starts to dry a little bit, and usually you don't want to do that because black magic, when it's applied warm, will give you a lot of weird effects on steel. It may go a little yellowy rust. Overall, that's a desired effect on this one, just to get it a really weathered look. You can see the color on the patina change a little bit, and traditionally that's the time that's saying, hey, you've got to start rinsing it, but I'm going to go for a little bit longer, let it get that 3 minutes or so, and then we're going to rinse it off and see where we're at. Here I'm going to point out some of the areas that are showing that it's time to rinse, and this is for all metals. All those kind of whitish, light brown areas, that shows that it's drying, it's time to rinse it. So here we rinsed it, and you can see we've got this really weathered and random kind of aged look. We turn up the light a little bit so some of those features pop out a little bit more. This is about what we're after, just a really weathered, interesting look. So we're going to go ahead and clear this with the Everclear Satin. And remember, these spray cans, you want to be about 6 to 8 inches away, overlapping about half. And it takes about an hour to dry. We're going to come back with our second coat. And remember, Everclear takes about 5 days to cure for that first cure time, reaching full chemical protection at 20 days. So here we have our final piece, a very weathered piece of zinc. Black Magic and Everclear are available at www.sculptnouveau.com.